Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely Taigo R-Line we've currently got for sale, finished in deep black pearlescent paint. It's got that 1 litre TSI petrol engine producing 115 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox, and you'll have peace of mind motoring with the remainder of that 3-year manufacturer warranty. Starting off at the front, you benefit from LED headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side, you've got these 17-inch alloy wheels finishing off the exterior perfectly, with power folding and heated wing mirrors and privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards. There's a generous amount of boot space available with split folding seats, as well as that adjustable boot floor which is currently in its lowest setting. Moving inside, you've got that signature R-Line upholstery with the park cloth and Alcantara, and there's a couple of USB-C ports available as well. Towards the front, there's a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel alongside your centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. And just behind the wheel, you've got a full digital display housing all your vital driving information. Alongside digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, you'll also benefit from Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. There's plenty of assistance systems also available, including front assist to help you keep you and the family safe on the road at all times. You've also got multiple driver modes available, including that sport setting for a more dynamic drive, and also front and rear parking sensors to help whilst parking with audible warnings. A little bit further down the cabin, your dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust, with a little bit of storage below and a couple of USB-C ports, as well as wireless phone charging. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.